Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
The money Corona Master bring for our land to remove ourselves is now. Vote for your referendum. Vote for the poverty to come out. Vote for we to get our life. Vote for referendum. For Igodomigodo, Biafra land. For Biafra land. For everywhere when it concerning Biafra. Vote. I want to put one voice record, one I go here. Make una know say referendum, it don't come. My brothers and sisters, everybody, when it day Biafra land, make una stand. All the whole family, make una vote for referendum of Biafra, my people, so that make that good news when we they talk, we they preach, before they kidnap our onyedu, the time don't reach. The referendum don't come. The time don't come when we go to stand for our destiny, for our children's destiny, for our destiny, for things, so that may they not they kill us, so that may we not they sleep, they can't put fire for our house. Now the referendum of Biafra now it comes, so vote, register. It will take place February 1st, 2024. It will take place. My people, my Biafra people, anywhere you day, for diaspora, for Biafra land, for Igodomigodo Biafra land, make una come out, all the whole family, make una vote for referendum, for destiny of your children. Because we get bad government, we get bad ruler, we get bad that they kill us. They value us. If they value animal, pass us. They value cow, pass us. May we deliver from those killing when they kill us. May we deliver from those cheating when they cheat us. That is why we need to stand for our referendum, for voting. People in Godomigodo, make una get up. Mona wake up now. Make una wake up. Draw the rope of Biafra, so that the deep life where we did before, a donkey life where our government put for our life, and people they die anyhow. No good roads, no good hospital. The Fulani they kill us. We no get good security for our land. That is why we, when be Biafra, we want to move away from the Janjaweed to face reality of life. That is why we need to vote for our referendum, to go back to our lands, to come out for those when they kill us, where they not think for our father, where they not think for our mother, where they not think for our youth, where they not think anything good for our people. That is why anywhere you day, get up, vote for referendum of Biafra, for we to go away from those when they kill us, when they cheat us, for those when they don't know, when they don't count us to be people for our land, those when they pursue us, when they don't give, waiting God great give us to take better for life, they don't let them reach the citizen hand. That is why you see many of our people that die for Mediterranean Sea, for their way looking for their life, the way looking for their daily bread. That is why they die. That is why in Adikano, our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, they come to deliver us for the hand of the Janjaweed. They come to remove us for the poverty. They come to remove our father, our mother, our youth, our brothers and sisters for the life when the Janjaweed with a demonic Corona Master when they put us. That is why we need to get up and vote for our referendum to go to our land. What will be the name of the land? Biafra land. Biafra land. The people of Igodomigodo, make una get up. May we vote. Your family, your children, everybody get up to vote for referendum of Biafra. My people, my Esa people, Metwali. Esa oye, Osa oje, Esa ni merek degbo, Esa no se mevade, Esa no mudiame, me no mono seva, Princess Odohunoje, me buwa vanya, ururi mama walk wegeni avade, Osenia, Ose the referendum, Ose, ni mami ewono seva, ni mami humamo be Fulani, ni mami humamo be the Janjaweed, ni mami humamo be the bad government, enege sefa, enege natani, of Vifonia, ni marivejan votes, the referendum, 2024, February 1st, now the referendum will start. If you no clear, if you no quo, mariveja, backbano, na vote. Neta bono sema me Jordan, Neta bono si viva ne fa de me Jordan, ni ma ya you know the Mediterranean Sea. Everybody match. Ne yaro jamari. He will not never reject for or emunima ni manwina. Excuse me. Ma we go ibi o menu pia, ibi o meniko egbaluge, egbama madagbare ni ma vote. But I will not say ma Biafra land. Ikodomikodo. Ba gakpa no na vote. Rudenu Jenny or princess or don't know the daughter of ancestors that dagbare don't never tell. Ababinene Eji mariage vakpa no na 40 for referendum of Biafra. Imo ba jan 40 for referendum of Biafra. Ba we agogo. O ese ni meda dagbare ni ma don 40. So that ne gbe mejo da loko mari. Ni Fulani aya agbene ma bugedugbo. Ni Fulani aya katono se re evi na ba ma bi na ma call ne aya zagara. We agogo igodo people. Biafra land bagakpa no na vote for referendum. Oni zeme da dagbare Elena don't batao. Ba hwe agogo ibi o mani bia na diaspora. Ba share ni video na no say ba ma bo. Na si ba ne ma bo. Referendum va the message play the voice record ni wa ye ho the referendum.
Hurry. Biafra database collection self-referendum is finally here. What are you waiting for? Join the online registration starting on the 1st of February 2024. Be the first to vote and get your reward. This updates is to inform you about the step-by-step of this self-referendum voting, why you should vote, and what comes next. Individuals from 18 years and above are allowed to make this honest decision to secure a brightest future for everyone. In other words, to vote. Our reasons is that our people have suffered so much poverty, identity crisis, propaganda, manipulation, loss of too many innocent human lives, kidnapping, cultism, invasion, failure of governments, insecurity, no secured means of transportation and corruption, etc. It's time to decide. It's time to make decisions through voting, called referendum. Our survival, safety, and security of us and our people lies in our hands. More importantly about this voting by referendum is to secure a better life for everyone, to secure freedom for everyone, to secure the value of life of freedom for everyone, to secure all household and build a productive society with manufacturing industries, creation of jobs, industrial production, and a very progressive society for everyone, to provide security of life for everyone, to end insecurity and violence in our society, to secure quality education and free healthcare services for everyone, especially for children, women, elderly people, and the physically disabled or physically challenged individuals in our society, and bring value to the people of Igodo land of Biafra, popularly known as Edo State. To be able to vote, individuals must register their self and all their family members home and abroad. Individuals must have an email addresses, as many as you can correspondingly, including your friends who are from the South, Southeast, lower part of Kogi State, and lower part of Benue State and the Middle Belt region. General voting steps. Plug in your email address. One email to one person. Your full names, the names in your birth certificate, your date of birth, your birth certificate, your certificates of any kind, including your baptismal certificate, and if possible, state of origin certificate. For Biafrans who lives in exile abroad, must plug in their country of hosts, identity card, resident permit, or health insurance card. This voting referendum registrations database collection will earn you a citizenship electronic identity card, just like Europeans. Biafra is bringing Europe life to your doorstep. We want to build a better life of freedom for everyone. Remember, you cannot have more than one identity. Once you are registered, you will be expecting your citizenship electronic identity card. Registration starts on the 1st of February 2024. If you have any further questions, please contact the Inquiries Department or the Publicity, Infomedia 34 632 87 58 38, and you will be redirected to the responsible government departments in the Biafra Republic Government in Exile BRGIE. Remember, our destiny is in our hands. If you believe in God, then you must vote for better life of freedom for our people and everyone. This information is reaching you from Igodo Leaders Council, the last council hearing January 20th, 2024.
My people, my Esa people, why we are go? What that barre? Na do vote, na vote. Neni no sema, neni no simono sema, neni no se, neni no simono sema. Why we are go? Na do vote, na that barre, na do vote. Ni money ma biye, ne aye loja, ne aye you know we see, ne aye you know we see, ne aye you know we see. Why we are go? Imo. Because the government ni ma ye versus then irekman ma rivo evi nelu ma rivo not evi so say rivo nelu be o tewo no sema orupa rivo enemugbo evi rivo nelu ne, but this referendum of Biafra evi egbenara yin vewo ebo Every reveja or dig ba agmor jump. Where you school? Where you school? Every no kekevie. Narune the citizen. Okay, say wobo. When I work with you, son, but reveja va dagbare. Not don't vote. February 1st. Only the vote has start. Va register online. February 1st or other starts 2024. Ba when I work with you, son. Ojani matale. Ina di kano do deba wa prime minister Simon Ekpa ohamu asimawu homore ogwoja ni janja kwi rema okpa no ma egeye rivo ni ma re loja egeye rivo ibi ma ha bie e ki operation bie ani go na re gba loge gbe voter the government I help rivo no rie ni mo I help rivo no rie ne I wo ne bie I mo ne ra bie help rivo because Biafra wa di ario e gbanuge aki mu ekpere begbe agboreveja okay ame wina neji agboreveja eke ame evineru isofa eribo no ye nave o ta Biafra ba hwe agwogo ibiesa ba gada agbare na vote for our life for our children omoni mabie ba gbalo kotonia abi nene ne buribo imo ne se ne travel for ne pa no wege no mama re e va je he e sori bo ne ju wede e sori bo ne ju abale jeje mabaya gwa no ni mo asibu gware aba eje ibi o ake ami egbe na aki we ipigbe ipi 20 ipugie oroje ni no mo travel ordinary document o ba mi re fa ibugwa emi no biare wa sunu vi Biafra esunu orupa ki gba me gereveja o ame okay ari we gereveja ugede okay ari we gereveja imoto uda we wina nu wina u omugbo wehin u get anything wekiri alu u disappoint with moto u ki feke ahari u government dey bugwa u ki feke akimuri as far as say citizen of Biafra wehin akimuri ugwa u ki feke ahari kere gbenore sunu be webo oni evi ni Biafra move ade ba hu agwo ibi o me ni kwene gbonuge egene ba hu agwo ba ja vote imono se va reveja ba register online for referendum of Biafra. Niva dali wota Nigeria ever since. Demi dorukpa ne muniva. Dugede ne lu niva erivo. Belu niva erivo. Hospital rivo. Ugede Fulani esmek bonova. Kidnapping food everywhere. No better security. Ibi ome. Bea kisena dambe baba da vote. Evi no tiaro va sunu wota Biafra. Ba hwea, ba reveja, ba ready, ni ba vote for referendum of Biafra. Or sort of e ba ka gani or osunu no semafo. Ba di mari obogwe. Referendum 5 February 1st or other sunu. Ba hwea bi ome. Ibi ome ni merehio. E sano za ba mi otome. Ba hwea gogo. Ba dagbare. Na vote for referendum for Biafra. Oseno blarek power.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.